Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. It's like kind of like more of a craft, but it's an interactive craft called the fortune teller. A lot of you guys may have heard of this, and I make a lot while I'm at school, so I thought it would be nice to do something fun that's kind of interactive, something different. So a fortune teller, you have 4 colors on the outside, and you would ask someone to pick, so I'll pick purple. Then you'll spell the color, and when you spell it, you're going to open and close the fortune teller each time you say a letter. So Purple. And then you would have somebody pick a number. So I'm going to pick 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would have somebody pick a number again, and it would be, I'm going to pick 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they pick one more number, which would be 8, and that would be their fortune. And then so for some different ideas for fortunes, or you can either do questions or you can do, a fortune. So I picked a question, and I actually did a study question for art, so you can use this as a study guide for some of your classes. So my question is, what form is closest to a circle? And all of you I know are shouting sphere right now. A sphere, a 3-dimensional form, is closest to the circle shape. And some other ones I wrote, what a fortune, you will get a puppy. You will make a new friend. Your favorite movie will be on TV tonight. And then what color is complementary to purple? What do you call a rolled up piece of clay? Those were some of my study guide questions. So a fortune teller can either be kind of silly or goofy, or like I said, it could be like a question to get to know somebody, or to have good conversation, or it could be a study guide. So I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So we're going to start off like we did yesterday with a rectangle piece of paper that we have to make into a square. So we're going to fold up the corner to make a triangle, and then crease it, and then we're going to cut off the extra piece so that we have a square. There are days when, like free art day, when I make like 10 of these in a row. Okay, and then you can discard that piece. So then you're gonna unfold it, and you've got a straight line up and down. I'm gonna make another line. I want a fold that goes across. So I'm gonna fold another triangle, unfold it, and now I have this X with the folds in my paper. So I'm going to take my paper every corner and fold it to the center, and it's going to put lines like right down the middle of my triangles. So I'm going to take each corner of the paper, fold it into a triangle to the center of my paper. Then I'm going to flip it without unfolding, so I want to flip it. Do the same thing again. So take each corner and fold it to the center. So you've got little mini triangles now. And this is the step where you want to write your numbers, fortunes, and colors, because once you fold it up all the way, it's a little bit harder to do that. So I'm going to flip it over. Make my colors. I have oil pastel on my little desktop right now, so it's very, that looks more orangey in the picture, but I swear I thought it was yellow. Green will do across. I hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. We're getting a little stir crazy because the weather isn't very good, so, and my dogs, who just really want to go play outside, don't understand why they can't go play. Well, they can, but then they come back really muddy. Okay, and I got pink. And I don't take too much time, like, coloring it all completely. I just make sure it's nice and big so you can see what color it is. And purple again. Okay, so this side was the side with the plain squares. This side with the mini triangles is where you're gonna write your numbers. And they could be random, so 4, 7, 2, 9, 5, 8, 6, 3. Did I do 3? No. Cool. So this side will be your numbers. You want to do a number like 2 per triangle, so like you split the half. And then inside here is where you would write the fortune. So every number should have its own fortune. So 3, I could say, let's see, what is your favorite color? So this would be a nice question to ask somebody in your house. So I'm already sorry to everyone who may be listening to fortunes for the rest of the day, but it's okay because they're so fun. Okay, what is your favorite color? I could do a fortune that you will win the lottery. So these can be kind of silly, and you would write fortunes all the way around. So then you're going to carefully fold it back up. I have oil pastel all over my artwork. And you're going to fold it in half so you can see 2 squares on each side. And then to make it easier, then you unfold it and do it the other way so that the other 2 squares, or so you have it the other way. And this just makes it easier to fold because this is kind of the hard part. So now you have to kind of go underneath the 4 flaps that have the colors, trying to show you. And you put your pointer finger and thumb inside, and then you kind of bring it together. And that makes your fortune teller. Whoop. So I hope you guys have fun with these. I hope it's something just, you know, silly and fun to do for the day. They're cool to make. It's cool to know how to make them so you can make them for your friends. And then when I see you in school, you'll all be able to make your own fortunes and you won't even need me to make you one. Just kidding. But I miss you guys so much. I hope you have a great day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.